Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now, Kucoin. Yes, Kucoin is the number 4 crypto exchange in the world according to coin market cap. Yes, according to coin market cap. Now, this coin Shibadoge is already getting attention. Kucoin listening is already loading, and I believe very soon Kucoin will list Shibadoge. And when you mention exchanges that list more coins on time, when you mention exchanges with the highest number of coins, Kucoin is one of the top exchanges. In fact, they are the third exchange in the world that have more coins listed under them, and they have I think over 828 coins listed under Kucoin. And right now, Shibadoge developers have been working hard to get Shibadoge on more exchanges, and since then they have been able to achieve Bitmath, they have been able to achieve Bank, Hotbit, they have been able to achieve you will see Indo EX, Uniswap V2, and a lot of them, about 8 of them. So, and the journey is to continue counting, because it's not going to end there. And before the end of the year, we believe it's going to count over 20 to 30 exchanges that will partner, that will list Shibadoge coin. But Kucoin still remain one of the top exchanges that we believe will be listing Shibadoge any moment from now. Of course, they are working towards this, and I'm happy. This is one of the best crypto exchange in the world. You can see they have high trading volume, spot trading in a particular day. Okay, over $600 million have been traded under Kucoin. So I believe getting Shibadoge token listed on a Kucoin will bring a lot of changes, to a lot of benefit for Shibadoge coin, and Kucoin listing will bring a lot of rises and a lot of community, a lot of market cap for Shibadoge coin. Yes, Kucoin should remain one of the top crypto exchange. One thing I love about Kucoin is that they list coins early, and also they are good in supporting small cap coins. Kucoin are good in that. Just imagine that was the time, that was about a few months ago, Kucoin stake over 47 billion coins of Terra Classic coin. Okay, they stake 47 billion coins, and they are also one of the exchanges that are always out there to support LUNC upgrade any moment. So they are good in supporting small cap coin, and I believe once they list Shibadoge will gain a lot. Shibadoge will benefit from the listening. Shibadoge will get more known. Shibadoge will gain more market cap, more customers, and more rise. So let's hope for the best, and I believe that yes, Kucoin listening is going to do it. Kucoin listening is going to change so many things for Shibadoge token. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please come do your own research before taking any decisions.